Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Update your phone OS, confirm free storage and battery above 50%, and have your primary email ready. Once done, enable two-factor authentication on that email and link a payment method if the developer program needs verification. Many stores charge $0.25 one time. Make sure you know your device model and carrier, because those details appear during enrollment. Now sign into the platform store account on your phone. Do not skip 2FA, it prevents lockouts later. You open the store's developer or portal app and select developer enrollment. Follow prompts step by step. Provide legal name, organization or individual selection, and precise tax or business details. Accuracy matters because mismatches delay approval. Upload a clear ID photo and any required business documents, then accept the terms and privacy agreements. Once you submit, complete the payment step and wait for automated verification. Check email for confirmation and developer account activation instructions so you can proceed to app publishing. You finalize by activating developer options on your phone, linking required key stores or signing certificates, and performing a test build to ensure publishing flow works. Once activated, monitor verification email closely and respond to any platform requests within 48 hours to avoid delays. If enrollment stalls, check for mismatched names or expired ID and resubmit corrected documents. Alternatively, clear the store app cache or reinstall the portal app and retry. Remember, prompt, accurate responses are the fastest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.